Alright y'all, I'm over here at BMW. Got an X7 M40, X5. The X5 is really nice. That color is insane. Nah, a lot of nice cars. They got a lot of M2s outside, sitting outside. The M's sitting outside, not the SUVs, imagine. XM, and outside here, I'll show you guys the M2 these guys got. It's really nice, man, I can't lie. M850, nice V8 twin turbo in that. And then you got the M2, which is really nice, bro. I can't lie. That sticker's insane though, bro. My sticker wasn't that crazy. And this 7 Series 750 is nice with the two-tone. Has a black roof, whole white body. Damn, bro. A lot of nice cars out here. Right here, we got a nice Brooklyn Gray M2. Looks good, but the Brooklyn Gray isn't my favorite. I'll definitely just take the black. Can't go wrong with the black Sapphire. Bro, these stickers are crazy. I don't even know what's making it that expensive. But then we got another one right here. That one right there was manual. This one's auto. Got a nice Alpine white. And I think this one is also a manual. Yes, sir. And we got another black one. And it has a manual, man. Nice car if you want a manual. But for the power I'm gonna be pushing in my little beast. Sorry, I'm fucking freezing. For the power I'm gonna be pushing in my little beast, I like how my beast is just the way it is. Got an X3 M40. That's the B58. I can't lie. If there's any X3 I'm gonna choose, it's probably gonna be this one. I can't lie, that S58 in one of these things would be sick. An M2 and an X3, that should be crazy, bro. Towing the M2 behind the X3. Has doors open, don't mind if I open it. M40 has all the carbon trim in it. It's nice, man. Well, it doesn't have the carbon trim in the middle, but it definitely has it all around the car. White interior. Can't go wrong with the white interior on the blue. If the M2 came in this tanzanite color, I'd definitely have to get it in this color. I think that's what this is, tanzanite. Might be wrong. Let me see what we got. Yeah, it's either that or it's like carbon black. It's one of the two. It's nice though. I like it a lot. Got a M850 right here. Another V8 twin turbo. It's nice. It has the same carbon trim on the inside. I sat in it before. Nice little 5 Series. I don't really like the new ones, but it's a nice looking spec, bro. White interior. Not bad, not bad. It just doesn't have a shifter. It's throwing me off. What is that? Got an M3 comp. Nice little G80. I really like how low these things sit from the factory, man. They sit so much lower than the M4 and M2, bro. Like, you could just get away with throwing spacers on the front and on the back and it would probably be fine. Crazy. I like the auto, man, I can't lie, but I think in the G80, I'd have to take a manual for sure. Nice i4 M40. And it has carbon trim on an electric car. Crazy. Over here we have a G82. It's a G83 actually. Has a top down brown interior. I think it's on M. It's definitely, it sits low. I don't know. All these cars in here seem like they're sitting lower than the normal stock ones, but man, this shit is so nice. That front end, I can't get over the front end. People hate on it, but I love it, especially without that active cruise control. The active cruise control's got to be the biggest waste of money you buy for an M. I like the seats though. The seats got that neck vent, bro. It should definitely keep you warm. I'd have to get rid of those cup holders instantly. But no, it's a nice car. It looks good, bro. M4 comp. It looks like it could be like an M8 low-key. How this thing is sitting. But nah, I really like this car. I was talking to my friend Ann about it. I sent him a whole bunch of pictures and shit. And we were just checking it out. I'd probably get that top plate removed. Yeah. But other than that, it's nice. It's nasty looking. Or I'd tint the fuck out of that. Something. Get it to stop working. All right, you guys, we are officially broken in. We officially are back in the 2. It's finally feeling like my car now. Like, it's shifting a lot better. Everything feels better. I took a picture of an M2 there with tints so I could get an idea of what I want to do for tints. And I definitely think I want to go darker because the ones I saw were a bit too light for me. I think the darker way is smarter. I feel like I'd regret going with a lighter tint. But regardless, I'm gonna hop back on the highway and I'm gonna go home. But man, oh man, does it feel good to be in this car, man. I can't lie. I think tomorrow I'm gonna be putting on the yellow DRLs and tinting the reflectors, and I think I'm back out to the city this weekend. So there's a Mercedes dealership next to me. If y'all ever, I don't know if you guys are interested in Mercedes or anything, but maybe I'll go slide to a Mercedes dealership in the next few videos. I'll slide to this one and we can check them all out and all that. It's not the nicest one in the world, I don't think. I might be wrong, but there is a nicer one about like 30 minutes away from me. So maybe we'll slide to that one. We'll see. Wow, this thing is moving different now. I can't even cap. This thing is moving real nice. And I'm only going 85, and it feels like it's moving a lot smoother. At least with the shifting and driving and how the engine and motor feels. If that makes sense. It might not make sense. It might sound stupid, but that's how I'm feeling right now. But anyway, y'all, we are officially in what I like to call my car. And I'm so blessed and so thankful to be able to say that. And just couldn't really be happier. Yeah, man, I just got to give thanks to God. Got to give thanks to the people that have held me down through my progress and through my process. So anyway, I love y'all, man. Thank you guys for sticking through. Hope you guys hit the like button, hit the sub button, and just make sure you guys let me know what you guys want to see down below. And we're just going to continue driving and getting on with our life, man. Hope you guys enjoyed all those cars we saw. They were really nice. And yeah, it was just a really good experience to be out there with all the other cars and whatnot. So, all right, y'all. I just got out to get some lunch. Just thought I'd show you guys the two because I'm gonna definitely get to modding this car finally. I'm about to go grab some pizza from my local pizza spot, Lenny's, you feel me? And then I'm gonna be back up in the car, but we got some heat on the feet. Forgot to tell y'all, but I'm sure you guys have seen. You know, we keep it fresh over here. Fresh to death, man. Now we're about to be out to this pizza spot. Yeah, that'll probably do it for this vlog. But, you know, you guys still got some good driving clips. Y'all saw all those cars at the dealership, which that dealership is really nice. If y'all need a dealership to go check out Morristown BMW. They will get you right with a car. I didn't buy this car from there, but that's just because another dealership was able to get me a better deal. So that's all I'm gonna say. But what I'm gonna say about Morristown is that they have very nice specs there. Like every spec that they have is generally a nice spec. I think tomorrow, like I said, I'm going over to Anthony's house. So I'm gonna be able to put on the DRLs, the reflectors, or I'll be able to tint the reflectors, I should say. And then I think this weekend I'm going back to the city. There is a meet tonight in the city, but I don't think I'm gonna slide to it because it's like 2 hours away in Long Island. So it's like a little bit of a boot away from where I am. You can hear the turbos just driving normal right now. Like I can hear them whistling. I don't think y'all can, but they sound good. They're straight whistling diesel at us. But nah, man, hope you guys are just enjoying the content that I'm trying to give y'all. I'm trying to give y'all the best content that I can. But anyway, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned. If you guys have any fixes for like a little chip on a windshield, please let me know, because I'm really not trying to, like, I'm not gonna replace the fucking windshield, but I would like to do something in the meantime. Yeah, man, I mean, like, it is what it is. It's just really fucking, like, I can't believe that actually happened. I noticed it on my way home. But anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see down below as far as modifications go, because it's time to throw a whole bunch of mods on this car. So y'all help me out. And yeah, I'm going to catch y'all later, man. Take it easy. Peace.